Yeah, got some snow and ice out there. Tough getting in the door, but I love having the tree as a door, basically. Pine tree, eastern white pine. But man, I'm warm as toast in here. This thing is good, and I got the damper on too. Well, a little hot because the door's open. Yeah, we're doing fine, man. We're doing real fine. Yep. Let me shut this door. Got a leather piece on there. But yeah. A little tea here. Carolina Chris gave me the sticker. He's working on the axe right now. So got a little snow by the door there. Wind's kicking up a little ice and snow out there. It's warming up pretty good in here. Throw some more wood in there. Let me go over here. There we go. Good, man. There we go. Yep. So we're good. Starting to crank up right now. And a cup of tea here. I don't want to spill it on myself. But we're good, man. Here we go. And some tea. Damn, that's good. Yeah. Good. Willow. Pussy willow. Help support your canvas. Little more. Been doing a lot of carving, you know. Let's see what we got here. Well, tin cup. That's for brew, otherwise known as beer, or tea, or coffee, whatever you want. Got everything in here, man. Everything you want. Frying pan, spatula, spoons, tinder. What the hell we got there? There's some. Gotta make more char cloth. You got a bunch of char cloth right in there. I see that. Really good. Bunch of tinder in here, man. These are actually fire starters. These right here. Find them around. But always have backup, fat wood, kinds of stuff in here. Yeah. What's we got here? Oh, the old trusty birch bark. My tin plate, I'm not taking that out. This is my little. I'm not cooking right now. My wife's making beef soup. Delicious. This is a little pot holder made from an Irish hat in my town in Ireland where my grandmother was from. Dog ate the hat, so I figured to make a little thing that goes on the handle here. Don't want to waste it. Nice spoon, always known as an oyster. I like to carry it. They're fine, man. They're good. I use them a lot. Small little spatula, and you've seen some of my videos. I made some too. A nice little sheet iron pan, man. Cool. I think I've done a video with, there's a lot more stuff in there. I'm not going through it all. There's just a little cook kit. This knife goes back to, I believe, 1865. And it's sharp too. I can slice tomato with this. And we got the, this little deal I got. That's cool. Anyway, some old style fork too. It's kind of cool. Made this little pouch. This is just like a regular spoon here, but a few things. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, this knife right here, like about 1865, and I could slice a tomato with this thing. It's really good. I forget where I picked this up. It's like a forged little spoon and fork. That's pretty cool. Call it a spork, I guess. I don't know. But, and this pouch I made of scrap leather and some. This is actually made Kevlar. This right here. So string. Don't pass these up, man. Get nice oyster shells, especially when they've been cleaned, the sun hits them and everything. Great for eating food, soup, whatever you want, man. It's there all the time. It's free. But, oh, here comes my pup. What you doing, Maggie? Hey, Mag. Come here, Mag. Yeah, come here. Yeah, come to see me, huh? Yeah, they dug a big hole back there. I still kind of leave it there. Man, they kick a lot of dirt up though. But hey, Mag, say hello to everybody. Hey. Oh, I love my dog. 2 dogs. And we're doing good. I got a bunch of stuff in here. I got a bowl in here too. I got a whole load of stuff in there, man. Be surprised. In one of my videos, you see the stuff in here. A lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. I'm gonna make some more charcoal too. Got my wood stove going. Got this guy. It's easy to make charcoal. See how the fire's going here. Oop. Gotta open the drafter a little bit. Or the damper. It's fine. Oop. I always leave this in here. Yep. This thing over here. Yep. Had this for, hell, 20 years at least. No, probably more like 24 years. Made modifications on it. Takes a beat. Here, Meg. Come here, come up here to me. Come up here to me. Uncle Pop. Yeah. You're my baby. Oh, Maggie's a good girl. Yeah. Maggie. Oh, she's a good pup. She's a good girl. Oh yeah, she's my baby. I love my pup. You're a good little pup. Okay, that's enough now. Don't be licking me now. You're a good pup. Yeah. Yeah. Get your food. Is it 4 o'clock? You know? You want your food? Is that what you want? Yeah. She knows. They like coming in here. They like this place. So, she's a good pup, good company, great dog. Well, I forgot to put that stuff. That would help. My tender. But nasty weather. Snow, then sleet, then rain, freezing rain, snow. We're supposed to get more snow. So. It's the first time lighting this up with snow. Not a problem. Got sealed up pretty good. The door will be open a little bit. I can tweak it a little bit. But a lot of this is double canvas. Little by little, I make modifications. I always do. My grandson and I built this, and I add on to it. Oh yeah. No, don't you be digging back there now. You hear me? You can go on my bed if you want. I'm gonna go on my bed. Can I go on my bed? Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. So what I think I might do, well, I think I better damp this down just a hair, and I'm probably gonna leave. Maybe come back later. I gotta get a few things, and she's cranking, man. Everything looks real good. Looks real good there, man. I think I'll finish the tea and we'll get going here. Yeah, she's a good pup. Oh yeah, she's a good pup. Yeah, she's a good pup. I see. I can't tell if you can see her or not, but she's a beauty. but loves attention. They are sick with attention. I give them so much attention. My wife and I. So, but yeah, we're doing fine here, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you got it's not double wall everywhere in here, but it helps. Helps in the summer. It also helps in the winter also. I've had some experience, with that a little bit. Half the stuff you see, good stuff you never see on camera. So, but back in the day, had a lot of experience with winter camping with double canvas. Not hodgepodge like this, but miners. And it's good in hot weather also. You don't get that direct sun, And this shelter, a pine tree is my door. And in the summer, I just open the doors and let the air come in and all that stuff. Still got a little circulation here. So, teepee type structure. So you saw me before I burned my solo type gas stove in here and on here without this going. Strong, really good heat now. Of course, I'm almost sitting on it, but no, strong, good heat. A little cool back here, but I'm blocking all the heat there. But oh, this is nice, very nice. So this is Quinny Eskimo, otherwise known as Ferro Rod on Instagram. And I was sitting last night. I usually don't watch YouTube on TV, but I was watching it and I was just kind of relaxing, falling asleep. These guys, men and women out there, just taking it easy, doing their thing, just relaxing like this. And that's why this video is probably long. So, got a little time, sit down, fast forward, whatever you want to do. But thank God for another day, still kicking, man. Not getting easier. But yeah, pretty good shape. Doing good, man. So yeah, I am making a Kuxa. Not going to be fancy, that's for sure. Spoons, I just whip them up quick. Just made a nice birch spoon yesterday. Let it dry out a little bit now. But yeah. But I may go and do another one tonight, the other half of it. Do it. But yeah, we took down some trees in my club. I didn't film anything of it. We took a lot of big trees down and ate leftover turkey, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. It's like a work day after Thanksgiving, but we got a lot done. So let's see how we're doing here. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Burning slow. I don't know if I should put what. I'll determine whether I put more. I gotta go out of here a little bit. I'll just let this burn. I'm confident there should be no problem whatsoever. So, well, let me get up here. I'm on this little hippie chair here, still holding me. I'm no lightweight. All right. So, that's it, man. So you take care, and I'll see what I'm doing. And I have a lot of stuff from the Adirondacks still I never even posted. We had a lot of snow up there, a lot of snow. It was beautiful. It's gorgeous. But take care.